In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail step by step if your inbox is cluttered with newsletters, promotions, or updates you don't read anymore. This process will help you clean things up quickly and safely. First, start by opening Gmail. You can do this either in your web browser, on a computer, or through the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you're receiving the unwanted emails. It's easy to accidentally be in a different account, so take a quick look at the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right inbox before you move on. Once Gmail is open, you'll need to access the main menu. On a computer, this is the three horizontal lines icon in the top left corner of the screen. On mobile, you'll see the same icon, usually at the top left as well. Tap or click that menu icon to expand the full list of options for your Gmail account. This menu is where you can see your inbox categories, labels, settings, and more. From this menu, look for an option related to managing your subscriptions. Depending on your version of Gmail and the device you're using, this may appear under a section like promotions or marketing, or as a dedicated option such as manage subscriptions. Go ahead and select that. This takes you to a page where Gmail groups together emails that recognize themselves as subscriptions or mailing lists, making it much easier to manage them in one place instead of hunting through your inbox. Now you'll see a list of senders or mailing lists that you're currently subscribed to. Take a moment to scroll through and review them. This is your chance to decide which emails you still find useful and which ones you're ready to stop receiving. If you recognize a sender that constantly fills your inbox with promotions you never open, that's a good candidate to remove. On the other hand, you might want to keep things like receipts, important service notifications, or any newsletters you actually read and enjoy. Once you've identified a sender you no longer want to hear from, select it from the list. When you do this, Gmail will usually show you an option to unsubscribe. Click or tap the unsubscribe button associated with that sender. Gmail is designed to use the official unsubscribe link provided by the email, so this is generally safer and more reliable than just marking messages as spam, especially for legitimate newsletters and companies. After you click unsubscribe, you'll often see a confirmation step. This might be a small pop-up inside Gmail asking you to confirm, or it may open a new tab or window from the sender's website. Read what it says and then confirm the action. This extra step is important because it tells both Gmail and the sender that you truly want to stop receiving those emails. In some cases, you may be given options to reduce the frequency instead of completely unsubscribing. You can decide what works best for you. Repeat this process for any other subscriptions you want to remove. Over time, regularly managing your subscriptions this way will keep your inbox cleaner and make important messages easier to find. That's all it takes to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail using the built-in tools.